Most people walk past this place without even looking up. But right here, on this wall, is a real home, and life in it never stops, not even for a minute. The parents keep coming back, time and time again. Each visit lasts only a few seconds, but for the hungry chicks, it's the most important event of the day. As soon as an adult bird appears nearby, the whole nest comes to life. The chicks know food is on the way. While the little ones are growing up, their parents are constantly on the hunt for new prey, day after day, from morning till night. To us, it's just a wall. To them, it's the only home where a new generation is growing up. And maybe tomorrow as you walk by, you'll look up too. Have you ever watched swallows up close like this?